The other, I feel like, very neglected area, that other part of the body that gets neglected for treatment, are the hands. But now we have the 4-in-1 anti-aging hand treatment that replenishes, hydrates, and helps smooth the texture of the skin. Plus it brightens, plus it plumps the hands, which is awesome. This is a buy one, get one free. This is literally a BOGO because just one is worth $40. We're getting two for $40. This is the only presentation of this of the month. It's brand new today. This price will go up at the end of the day, and you can receive it every 90 days for a year on auto delivery. Doctor, first I want you to tell me, what are the actual things that you do to people's hands that I don't want to do?
Well, you know what? If your hands don't match your face,
Yeah.
if someone says, what a beautiful ring you're wearing, and your hands look veiny and dry and wrinkled and pigmented, you're going to sort of hide your ring and say, oh, let's look at it in the dark. The reason the hands are important, I am lasering them, I'm injecting them,
Yeah.
I am getting rid of brown spots, wrinkles, because your hands age more. In many ways, you're driving, the sun is hitting your hands, the wrinkles are really obvious, and you see the veins. Look at this before and after. This is not an injection, this is not a laser, this is just my tops of my hands with clinically tested. It improves hydration by 42% after just one use. The Argireline is going to improve the appearance of lines and wrinkles. The vitamin C is going to brighten. The crushed diamonds are going to refine. And your hands, more than anything, give your age away.
There's crushed diamonds in here too?
Crushed diamonds in there. And 5 essential moisturizers to really plump and smooth the skin. And it has an ingredient you may not have ever heard of, salicornia. Salicornia grows in salty marshes, and anything that has salt gets dehydrated. But it has figured out a way as a plant to hold on to moisture. I put that in there. For me, Diamond Contour Technology is about ingredients and technology. You've got the salicornia, 22 organic extracts, you've got 3 different vitamins, vitamin C to brighten, you've got the crushed diamonds, you've got 5 different moisturizing ingredients, because your hands need all of these to give you younger looking skin.
You also have the anti-aging peptides in here, right?
Anti-aging peptides, that's correct.
Look, wait, what is that? That's a hand?
That's a hand. That is a hand. It's brighter, it's smoother. It really makes a difference because your hands constantly, you can try to cover your neck. You can't cover your hands.
No.
You're driving, you're walking outside, you cannot cover your hands. You can wear a baseball cap for your head and forehead. Hands, you need something made specifically for your hands. Look at the before. Discoloration, uneven skin tone, lines, wrinkles, thinness. Now look after 2 weeks. The skin is brighter, the discoloration is much better, it's hydrated, it's plumper, it's younger looking. Again, 42% increased hydration after just one use. You know what happens to your hands? You lose fat. There are so many products now that are FDA approved for plumping hands, but you can do this at home without any injections. In a clinical perception survey, 100% of the people said their hands look softer and smoother. 96% said their hands were brighter. Why brightness? Because I talk about Diamond Contour, the way it reflects light. Youthful skin reflects light. Wrinkled, pigmented skin cannot reflect light.
And that's the most important part. Now, I want to talk about this beautiful consistency because, yes, it's definitely creamy, but I just put it on literally on my whole entire arm.
It spreads well. That's exactly right. It flows well. It
spreads well. It absorbs well. And it's actually lightweight. Look what happens. Like, it looks really, really creamy, but then it's kind of like a serum consistency.
I am an ingredients nerd. I know anatomy. I know physiology of skin. I look at every single ingredient. When I read about salicornia, I said, wow, this is a great ingredient to put in there. I don't see it. And I'm thinking to myself, what can I do to make this different and effective and make you want to use it?
Right.
Because you can have these, if it doesn't smell good, if it doesn't feel good, you're not going to use it. This is not like going to the dentist. This is something that you're going to want to do every single day.
Daily, this is every day, as many times a day as I would like. Just
100 times a day.
100 times
You
a
don't
day.
need to use it 100 times a day. At least once in the morning is what would help. Twice a day is even better.
Don't neglect your hands. And now that we have a true anti-aging, because most of the hand treatments that we have are just moisturizing. This is not just moisturizing, it's anti-aging.
It's anti-aging, it's hydrating, and the tops of the hands are one of the fastest growing areas of cosmetic surgery. Look at this before and after. Look at the crepiness. Look at the discoloration, the lines, the wrinkles, the loss of hydration. Now look at the after. The skin is smoother. It's brighter. Can you go back to that previous picture for 1 second? Okay, I'll just stay on this one then. Hydrated, plumper, more radiant, the way it reflects light. That's what you want for younger looking hands because there's very little you can do other than SPF to protect your hands.
And now we have another one 2 weeks later. No way, Doc. Look at those. Look at the crepiness on that hand is half gone in 2 weeks.
The Argireline improves wrinkles. The vitamin C gives the skin brightness. The crushed diamonds gives it radiance. You've got 5 essential moisturizers to plump your skin. And this is clinically tested to improve hydration by 42%. Your hands age maybe faster than any other part of your body because it's how we explore the world. It's always out there, always, it's like our antennas, but it's getting all the damage. You bang it on things. You look at people that are older, their skin is always getting bruised. They go, I don't know how I got all these bruises because the skin gets thinner.
This price goes up at the end of the day today. It's the only presentation of the month. If you want to try it, get it today because it's a buy one, get one. Just one is worth $40. We're getting both for $40 and free shipping and handling. Now, Dr. Kaplan brought us